Well, this is sad. I was just on my PC the other day and I was just working and I thought it's time to clean up my samples, organize everything, and because of my stupid brain, my whole FL Studio resetted. So everything was gone. That means that all of my projects are gone. So I had prepared a rhythm tutorial. I was almost finished and I thought, yeah, this looks kind of cool. It sounds kind of cool. And then it resetted. So now it's gone. Luckily, I had some project from my old computer and I transported them into my FL Studio now. And luckily, I have most of it back. I needed to make a video, so I just opened up an old project of mine and I think I'm just gonna show you how I made it. It's kawaii future bass. It's a very popular genre. I'm just gonna show you the most important things about the track. So we're just gonna start off with some chords. Layer it with these chords. Together. Bass. Layer that with this. Together. Then you want to bring in some snaps. Some tambourine loops. And some effects. A drum fill. Eventually, when the tambourine starts, you have this, and that goes to this and this. I'm not gonna explain it. I'm just gonna let you experience it. So this is what you get. Pretty cool, right? It's just a super saw with bass. More bass. And drums. Then we just continue, but this time we just add a kick. Pretty simple. Add a nice acapella.
Tell me how you really feel, 'cause I'm losing my mind. Are you really standing here? Will you say you're mine? You're mine, you're mine. Will you say you're mine, you're mine? Will you say you're mine?
You just repeat this and just add another down filter to it. Nothing special, but then we get the build up and just that stupid reverse vocal. I think that's super cool. Just add it again with a lot of reverb and a down filter. Build up snares. Riser. This. Those are the vocal chops for the drop, and then we have that da 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 again. Here at the end. So this is what the first part of your song should sound like. So that's the first part, and now we're just going to the drop. These are the chords for the drop. Layer them with this. Together. Add some white noise. Bass. Layer that with this. Then we have this part. This is actually just a sub bass, but fills up a lot of space. Just listen. So when I add that to the three basses, and everything together in the mix sounds amazing. Drums. Second part. Then the vocal chops. Add a lot of reverb automations to them. Add some nice effects. And just repeat that. At the end we have that. We have that again at the end. And this time we added a frequency filter so it goes up, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, that's everything you need to know for KAWAII feature bass, and I'm just gonna play the final result now. I'm gonna play the whole song so you can enjoy it. This is my backup video, my backup plan. I hope you learned something new, and now we have a listen to our final result. Hello again. I have more videos like this on my channel. Please watch those. These are 2 videos here, you can watch them, they're pretty fun. If you didn't see them, please go watch them. It makes me very happy, and also if you just want to subscribe, I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers, it's insane. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!